Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Friends, and welcome to this channel, and there is another video we are going to do today, and this will be a review video about IDA bundle. Now, this is a software which you will need to actually use in order to make your website IDA compatible as per American laws. So IDA stands for American Disability Act, which means that your website needs to have certain features for those disabled people which cannot actually see your website, or they can partially see your website and things like that. Persons with disability, how do you make your website compliant as per American law? So this software is going to help you to get those changes to your website. It's like this software will generate some codes for you, and you will need to paste those codes on your website to make it compliant. Now we will try to go further into the details, and we'll talk about the bonuses as well in the end, so make sure you stick till the end. And as you can see on the screen here, shows avoid lawsuits, rank higher on search engines, and tap into $650 billion per year untapped market, plus an opportunity to turn this into a six-figure income. Okay, so let's not see this as a money-making software, but let's see it as a need to comply with government regulations in USA. So first of all, just understand what this law is, because it says the American with Disabilities Act, IDA, requires businesses to make accommodations for people with disabilities. Web content should be accessible to the blind, deaf, and those who must navigate by voice, screen readers, or other assistive technologies. So these people, blind, deaf, and those who must navigate by voice, these comes under this disability. And then a historic Supreme Court judgment caused a surge in website owners being sued for non-compliance with the IDA. So they have some videos as well, news videos like Fox News, CBN, and all that. So those news channels have been talking about that, how every year government has been suing these websites every year for non-complying with ADA, and you will find that in the news if you go and watch on the YouTube. Okay, so that's what they're talking about. And then here we have IDA in the news. These are the videos we're talking about. You can play these videos on the website, and you can see it yourself, that how every year the number of websites which are not complying and they're being sued by the government, it's increasing every year. Okay, and then here, these are the features packed in ADA bundle. So this is what this software is going to give to your website. First, it's content scaling, readability font for blind people, dyslexia friendly, highlights, titles and links, text magnifier. So on a normal website, you will not have everything, because you just type all those things with your fingers and then it's copy and paste. But this software is going to do all these automated settings for you, for your website, adjusting to the disability requirements. Okay, and then here you have visual pleasing experience. So you have this epilepsy safe mode, cognitive disability mode, ADHD friendly mode. Personally, I don't know what all this is about, but you actually need to make your website compliant if you are having business in America or running a website in America. So you'll have to get this software. We'll look into the dashboard in a moment. Let's go through all these features which you can read here. So it's like mute sounds, hide images, virtual keyboard, stuff like that. And then here you have some theory. Now we're trying to find that demo video which we might have on this website. So there it is. Now this is a 12-minute long video, so we are not going to fully play it, but let's understand the parts of the video. So it's like you log in first. So once you have the copy of your idabundle.com, this is a login page. You will enter your username and the password, and this will be the dashboard. You will be logged in, and this is a sample website they have where they will install this plugin or this software or this code to make it ADA compliant. So let's go further and let's see how does it work. Okay, this is the dashboard again, and here I'll just quickly fast forward. So the option which you see right on the top right is add website. Now once you click on add website, enter your URL here, and then click on save widget, which is there right at the top. And once you click on save widget, it will give you a code, and you will need to paste that code into your website. If you're a WordPress website, you can just copy and paste that code to paste it on the website. And then you have to make sure you enable all these options, so you enable all these options in dashboard, and then generate the code accordingly, and then finally post that code or paste that code, sorry, into that WordPress website or into your other website like HTML website. And once you have the code generated from this website, from this software, your website will have those features which you do not have right now. And that's how you can make your website compliant as per ADA rules. Okay, so this is the demo website they're using, and once they install the code, this will be slightly changed. So you can watch this demo video in your free time on their sales page. It's a 12-minute long video, and then you have a lot of features inside. You can choose how your button will look like, what will be the color. So you have your customization. You can add your own customization, change colors, change text and everything in the dashboard. And let's go further here. So they're making those changes, and now you go back to the dashboard and we have to just get that code. So technically this is quite simple. First of all, you go into the dashboard, you add your website, then you enable all those features which you want to have on your website, and then you just go ahead and copy that code and paste that code to your website. Okay, so this code is generated, and now let's go on further. So that here you can see these are those upsells which you can have, and also these are for affiliates. So this is it. Now let's talk about the bonuses here. So the number one bonus is Widlock Premium WordPress plugin. So Widlock is a premium plugin that lets you capture leads and make more sales by locking your videos until visitors perform a certain action. Okay, if you don't know much about Widlock, you can Google it or you can YouTube it. You will find the features of Widlock. So this is bonus number one. Bonus number two is Link Supremacy, which provides the perfect balance of backlinks to skyrocket straight to number one. Okay, Link Supremacy they're giving you, but do not use it, because any software which automates backlinks, that is a spam software. So do not use Link Supremacy. Even though you're getting in the bonus, do not use it. Okay, then you have Video Strike. Video Strike is a powerful desktop app that creates incredible presentation for your videos and your webinars. Okay, so let's get this Video Strike for free as a bonus, and you can edit your videos whenever you want to. And the fourth is Local Business Graphics Bundles. So 40+ premium and attention grabbing marketing graphics pack, this and that. So you get these 4 bonuses, and the good thing is that it's like, okay, and the fifth one is email marketing video upgrade. So this is for, I think, if you upgrade the package, then you get this bonus as well. But what I was saying is that you don't really have to choose any particular affiliate to get these bonuses, because these bonuses are automatically inside your members area. So whether you buy from the link in my video or you buy from somebody else, you don't have to worry about, because these are default bonuses and you will get them no matter from where you buy this software. So these bonuses will be inside your membership area into your dashboard anyway. Okay, so this is the review here, and this is not for everybody. It is for those people who are running successful business in America, who has to comply with American laws, with American disability laws. They surely and must have this software in order to have these features which will enable their website to be ADA compliant. If you're a normal person in some other part of the world, not in America, then you don't need to worry about having these things on your website. If you want to have it just to help users to read everything if they have disability, and if you want to help, let's say you're in New Zealand, if you're in Australia, if you're in Canada or UK or some other part of the world. So if your government does not have any such law, still if you want those disabled people to come to your website and have a good experience, then you can still use this software. But it is mandatory for people who are running websites in America and getting business from there. So you have to use this software so that your website will be compliant as per ADA law. Okay, so this is the review, and this product is going to be launched on 19th of June, I think. So we don't have any links in the description below as of now, because this product is not launched. You might find the links later on, but this was the review video we wanted to give you as early as possible. And thank you so much for watching so far, and do subscribe to our channel, and we'll get back to you with review video like this for these softwares. So stay tuned.